fix the Microsoft blue screen which is coming around the world, and people are facing so many problems because they are working online services like Microsoft 365, Microsoft Outlook, and some bank service Azure. So these are Microsoft services and affecting around the world people. So how to fix this problem? So this is the major issue because the CrowdStrike company has updated a KB 50 0 sorry 5035 8530. So this is the update. After updating this, the Windows blue screen coming on around the world, and systems are crashing and restart again problem. So this is the major problem. How to fix this problem? So mainly this problem can be fixed through the manual system, and Microsoft have not issued any guidelines to how to fix this problem, but there will be fixes by manual, and also can be fixed by patch. If Microsoft issue any patch, and the problem will be automatic resolved and update will be completed. Otherwise, because the update have installed in the client system, and people are facing problem because this update is being installed in system, and this will be fixed by providing any patch. Otherwise, Microsoft asks client to fix this issue manually, and they can work online. And so this is the big problem around the world people are facing. So